kids. I can't believe it's May 18th already. Like, where's time gone? I miss you guys, first of all. Started out that way. For those of you submitting assignments and things, hey, I appreciate your hard work and continue working away, guys. But I want to work on lesson 9.9 with you guys today. This is multiplying a whole number by a fraction. So the first problem I'm going to look at here, I want to do number 5 with you because it's kind of a bigger one. I wanted to avoid doing something that'd be really kind of simple, like maybe number 4. But number 5 is like 8 times 3/10. You are going to need separate paper for this, for sure. Okay? So there's 2 ways of doing this. First of all, there's knowing what multiplication is. It's 8 10/3. So you're going to take 8 of those, and I said 10/3, but 3/10. You're going to take 8 of those 3/10. So, on a separate sheet of paper, here I go. 8 3/10. Let's do it. So we have 8 times 3/10. So what is that going to look like? Well, it's a whole bunch of 3/10. So remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So what we're going to do is we're going to repeatedly add 3/10. It's a lot of 3/10. You guys might hear my son in the background watching his silly videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many tenths would that be? Wow, look at all those tenths. So you have 3 plus 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 3. What is that going to make? If you add up all of that, all of those numerators right here, adding them all up, you're going to get 24 tenths. You're not done though, of course, because you have to simplify. So to simplify 24 tenths, here's how we do that. We first start adding up 10 tenths, because those are our 1 wholes. So you're going to have a 10 tenths, and then you're going to have another 10 tenths. And what does that make? 20 tenths. You can't do another 10 tenths because that would take you to 30 tenths. You only have to get to 24. So you have to add another 4 tenths to that. So what is that going to equal? Well, 10 tenths plus 10 tenths is going to be 2. Because this is 1 right here, the first one. That's 1. And that's 2. So you're going to have 2 and 4 tenths. And you may say, wow, that's great. Okay, done now, right? Finally? No, you're not. 2 and 4 tenths. You can simplify that. So here we go. 2 and 4 tenths. How do I simplify the fraction 4 tenths? Is there a factor I can divide by both 4 and 10? Well, back to simplifying fractions, if you list the factors of 4 and you list the factors of 10, you're going to find that 4 has the factors 2 and 2, of course, another 2, but you only have to put it down once. 4 and 1. And then you have the factors of 10, which are 2, 5, 1, and 10. What's the common factor they share? Well, it's 2. So we're going to divide this by a factor of 2. So if you divide the top and the bottom by 2, you're going to end up, the whole number stays the same. We're going to keep 2 the same. And then you're going to, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So for all of that on that problem, you're going to end up having, for your answer, 2 and 2/5. See if you guys can do some of these, and if there's anything that you have questions on, please let me know. I hope you guys have a good week. Keep in contact with me. Post things on Dojo. I want to see what you guys are doing. We'll hopefully hear from you guys on Tuesday, because that's our meeting time, right? So we'll see you on Zoom, hopefully. Bye, guys.